Sana, welcome to another episode of Khemii TV. Mkhulu Sseida lo, as you know, igedla lamashishki, inyanga yamakhosi. And welcome to another episode of Khemii TV, guys. I can't say it enough. Thank you to all our 1,700 subscribers. Our channel started only about around plus minus 6 months ago, and you guys have grown into what it is. To all you Khemites, I salute you, I salute you, I salute you. Ngiyamthanda nothando lukamveli Inhlanhla. Guys, welcome to another episode of Khemii TV. Last episode, siyasathukujula kancane. So today we've decided to give tools that will assist those who are too far away to reach Mkhulu Sseida. Baguqule isimo sabo and get assistance from me, although it is remote assistance. Mkhulu Sseida ukhuluma ngani? I've had a whole lot of people texting me and asking for products that engwakhandayo, but I haven't said ukuthi ngiyawakhanda. Cheap products that assist people. Izinto ezivulayo ngempela bakwethu. Ukujump uyolanda into ephilayo, ukugijima uyothwala, ukugijima ulanda igugu, ungakangeni through the novice level. Uzohluleka, uzokhameka. So today's episode is basically an episode to show the range and the catalogue of products that's now corner la ekhaya. Before I tap into the products that I have in front of me, I would like to say there are two that I don't have yet, but they must be mentioned on top of everything. Bantwana bomoya, bantwana basekhaya. You know I must serve you. Yeah, ngiyaphoqa. Abantwana bomoya safa bangazi ukuthi bajike baye kuphi, bajike babheke kuphi. But khona la ekhaya singanisiza. No matter how far you are, if ufuna ukuthi, for instance, unedlozi, uyazi unedlozi, nkosi yami uyabhodla, ubhodla yonke indawo, ubhodla mulele, ubhodla emabhasini, ubhodla emaphakathi, uxaka abantu. Ngokubhodla kwakho, but you don't know what step you need to take ukuthi ukhanyise lelo dlozi lakho, ukuthi uliphakamise ukuze lizokhuluma lisho ukuthi yini inkinga. Ngabhodla kangaka, ngithi kuwe wena onaleyo nkinga, iza kuMkhulu Sseida. Contact me, sikuthumele one of our two combos. Sikuthumele i-combo yokuphakamisa idlozi, i-combo yabantu bomoya abanedlozi, ukuthi idlozi lakho liphakame khulu, lisho kuwe namaphupho nezibonakaliso and guidances ukuthi ngifuna lokhu, ngidloze liso, silivulele ikhono ukukhuluma, hayi ukuliphakamisa ukuthi lisebenze, ukuthi sikunike imvulandlela makhosi. And then we also have the combo yethi yesithunywa, abantwana besithunywa, nkosi yami, abantu abakhalayo, yakhala. Abona labo basithunywa kakhala, abantwana besithunywa will understand this message. You cry me a river. But sinayo combo yakho nawe abathi unesithunywa olokuzamula, oloku uphathwa i-depression, ithi iza kimi sikunike i-combo yokuvula isithunywa. Sisivule sikhulume sisho isithunywa ukuthi ngifuna iphike eziso, ngifuna ukuya la, hamba amasonto so. These combos are purely for spiritual people, and I had to start with them because start your year facing your calling, start your year dealing with your calling. Ngoba abaningi benu bathakathwanga nivalwe ukuthi ningabantu abaphethe umsebenzi, abathatha ikhwama ekumele zigezwe, abashoda ngamabhayi, amadlozi abagqoka makhosi. But going into our products for the day, bakwethu, I'm happy to bring these products to you guys because I think maybe some of my stuff might look like it's pretty pricey, but imithi engiyifaka ewashweni sami, imithi ejulile and iningi. Hayi isiwasho uzohamba uye lapha esitolo uze ukuthi isiwasho seNhlanhla, mawuvula kanti Inhlanhla emhlophe notswayi. Bakwethu isiwasho se-R30 leso. La sigaya imithi, sihlanganisa imithi nomlotha ukuze sikulethele a product that's impactful ezokusebenzela. I'm happy to bring you guys this beginning of the year. I have to do this video beginning of the year so that I know ukuthi ezandleni zami I have laid back because I serve you. Msebenzi wami says I serve you. Makhosi. Okokuqala guys, we have this product here. Isikhali lesi. Isikhali lesi. Wena othi Mkhulu mangilele ebusuku ngihlale ngiphupha ngiluma izinja, ngiphupha ngigijimiswa abantu bafuna ukungena ekhaya. People are trying to break in at home. Ngiphupha ngijahwa abantu, ngidutshula ngikwazo. Ngiphupha amakaka, ngiphupha ama-toilet. Wena wazi kahle kamhlophe. Hleli lapha ekhaya ukuthi bakushaya ngemeeting ngabo 12. Midnight engineering is upon you. Ngithi thatha nayo lento. Angeke sikhuluma okuningi sikhipha ama-ingredients ngalento le. Ngenxa yokuthi it's our own special recipe. Kodwa uthathe nayo lento le isikhali 250 guys ukuthi ushaye izitha zakho. Start the year on war. 2024 is yours. Ngalokho akuvalele indlela. Start the year on war. Lento le angeke ngisho ukuthi sithake na 250 wenze lento engizokutshela ukuthi uyenze ngaphandle kokubo. Busele konke emuva. Shaya isikhali qhubeke wena uya phambili. Iwasho ichitho zibuyele ebantwini. Thatha isikhali siwasho guys 250. Then we have the 3-in-1 oral cleanser guys. Shame. 3-in-1 oral cleanser. Isiwasho that sithatha isinqumo sathi okay iwasho ezesichitho usithola zonke indawo. Some of them don't even do what they do. Some of them look like green baby powder. Some of them just look like pink salt. Kodwa angikhulumi ngama-products wakamuntu. Thina imithi esiyifakayo ejulile, hhayi imithi ejulile, imithi eyaziwe kodwa imithi edingwayo ukuze kukhandwe into yokulapha isithunzi. Let's incorporate umuthi ozosiza ngamathunzi, umuthi futhi osiza ngezinyama. Mkhulu Sseida athi thatha nayo 3-in-1 oral cleanser, cleanse the oral yakho man, for the whole December. Keep it in. The whole of January. Izinto zakho sezingathi zimnyama. Uhambe indawo, ugroova yonke indawo. Take oral cleanser, usigeze, ususe iy'thunzi, ususe iy'chitho, whether zidalwe uwe or iy'chitho esithunyelwe kuwe lo muntu ushaya ubusele khona emuva guys. These are all products I'm offering beginning of the year ukuthi ngilekelele indlela yenu. And then we have this guys. You know I love this product. We have this guys. Umuntu uzobona lento athi isikhali. Nkosi yami Mkhulu, why lo muntu mnyama kaso? Yeah. Mnyama lo muntu. Already umuthi wedliso besinawo. Sathatha isinqumo sathi okay sinawo umuthi wedliso. Let's create a hybrid product. Trying to go into hybrid imithi neyiwasho. Iwasho that do two things at once. That asike sifake ama-ingredients extra that will cause ukuthi ibe ne-extra benefit. Sathola lento guys, imbiza lento. Siyakuthumela lento lena, uthathe lento uyibilise. Ulandele ama-instructions wethu uyithele ebhodleleni le-2 liter 2.5. And then for 7 days uyiphuza. The benefits of umuthi imbiza yokugeza igazi. Imbiza yokugeza igazi guys. Ukuthi wena oneyinduna ebusweni, let alone idliso. Wena oneyinduna ebusweni, wena oneyilonda, wena onegazi elinamawembe elingahlanzekile, kunemithi la efana nomathuba egeza igazi, esiza ngokugeza futhi isibeletho sani nina abantu besifazane. Along with that, wena ozazi kahle ukuthi wake watshela ukuthi yabona le ndaba yakho yokuthi uzofonela my sister 28 times ayikho. Ngoba vetsane watshelwa ukuthi washana idliso. Wena ukuthi i-girlfriend yakho or i-boyfriend yakho mayingekho ingathi isifuba sibila ingathi sine-volcano. Wena washana idliso. Ngithi thatha nayo imbiza 200 rand. Thathe ibilise iphuze gezigazi uphile. Guys, we had to come to a decision. Ngenxa yokuthi not everybody can reach us. Not everybody can reach us and people would want to work personally with us. I know umuntu kodwa abanye abantu can't come for cleanses, abanye abantu abakhona ukuthi bafike la sibathathe sibase emanzini. And people know that treatment was effective. Kodwa we came to a conclusion ukuthi we need to assist abantu abanye, kodwa at their own expense. Kodwa si offer i-medium yokuthi siba assist. Ingakho we came up nale product Inhlanhla Idlozi, umuthi ojulile guys. For wena othi Mkhulu Sseida, I need a cleansing but can't reach you, sokubuza ukuthi sikhona isi, is there a river close by? Thumele lento le, uthatha ukhambe uthatha ibhakede uthele ngaphakathi, mawufika lapha emanzini ukhulume lento engizokutshela ukuthi ukhulume, usithele ngalawo manzi, ugeze ngawo, usiqobe ngawo, bese ungena emanzini ukhulule. Inhlanhla Idlozi kuwe wena abathi unesidaka esingagezwa, kuwe wena abathi unenhlanhla eningi edlozini kodwa akubonakali la, inhlanhla yakho ayigezwanga, isidala sakho siphendulile. We are now giving you umuthi ukuthi you can do your own cleansing with our instruction remotely. Sitshele ukuthi mawufika le wenze lokhu nalokhu nalokhu ukuze ukhone nawe ukusigeza, ukuze 2024 is the year ekumele siphushe sifule ngenkani. Thatha Inhlanhla Idlozi. Mkhulu Sseida, izinto zami zivulekile. I have a small business. I have a barber shop, Yemali, ngiyathengisa. You have a smaller business. I'm a street vendor. Mkhulu Sseida, ngiyakhona ukudla, end of the day I get 500, 600, but I want more customers. Ngifuna ukuvula more, but I don't have the budget. Makhosi ngiyakuzwa wena, isikhalo sakho sizwakele. 2024 is the year push open. We're pushing open by force, whether by Mkhulu, whether by meat, whether by siwasho. We have products here at Khemii TV to assist you in that. Now ibhodlela uMkhanyisa 400 rand uzongithathela lento le. Uma wena uthi imali yangena, uma imali ingangeni ungalami uMkhanyisa, kusamele sivule imali yakho, kusamele sivule inhlanhla yakho, kusamele sikubhule sicheck ukuthi yini evulile siyisuse endleleni. Kodwa kuwe wena uthi ngidinga something encane engajulanga engizoyisebenzisa, sizokunika nani ibhodlela uMkhanyisa 400 rand. It will push, uzozibona izinto zivule. If you follow lento esizokutshela ukuthi yenza ayiphile, imithi nje, imithi eminingi ejulile, abowoza ncamashela, imithi ejulile sifaka la ngaphakathi, sikhulekele. Wena mawufika ekhaya ngizokutshela nje ukuthi khanyisa le candle, ukhanyise le candle. Thatha uMkhanyisa, push your business forward. Now guys, because in the spirit of the month of February, the spirit of the month of love, we have introduced the next segment of our product into the market to be purchasable without Vula, without Chekwa. Abaningi benu niye naxakeka when it came to Valentine's Day. Some of you did not have lovers, some of you did not have Valentines due to different ingcindezi. We sympathize with you. I had a lot of requests for love readings, for meet your tand and so forth. So the next range of products, by way to, I've introduced it. Ubuti, going forward, now you must have a fair chance or have an advantage depending on what you want. We have this siwasho, man. All eyes on me. Phakamisa. Oh, Kosiana. To those of you that familiar nemithi, lo muthi lo sivamise ukufaka umlomo omnandi, sifake sinike imithi yokuthi uthandeke, imithi yokuthi mukhuluma abantu bakuthande. Ngikhuluma nawe wena who has meetings that you have to go through aside from love, meetings that you have to meet with people, convince them to buy things, convince them to invest, convince them to take a deal. You who has to interact with people. Yeah, Khehla. Khehla. thatha lento khehla uyisebenzise izokukhanyisela, izokuyenza ube umuntu okhanyayo, ube umuntu othandekayo. It'll enhance your aura, it'll enhance ukukhanya kwakho wena othi uyazama ukushela kodwa uqomeki. Thatha hamba uyosebenzisa khehla, sebenzise thandeke nawe, ubonakale ebantwini. Yeah, we have that. And then now the next one is a bit controversial, but I'm going to introduce them because abantu badelile, especially abantu besifazane delile, nizama ukubamba ama-relationship, nizama ukuthola uthando. I get your requests, I hear your messages. Yingakho we've taken a decision to put this into the market. Usmomundi, Nkosi yami lo sisi lo. Yeah, usmomundi yabo. Siwasho sidlile, siwasho esinamandla. Isiwasho sokwenza ukuthi uma uhamba kujika amakhanda, qhuma intamo nje. Qhuma intamo. We've had good results ngalesi washo lesi. People have reported ukuthi after using it, they found themselves having more interactions. Abanye benu nisebenzise, nithola abantu banithengela ama-airtime, abantu banithanda, abantu banifuna, nifonela left and right. To you slay queens, bazothi Mkhulu Sseida, you are promoting umbhedo manje. This is all in the name of helping people. Banika i-product elingane nabo ukuthi ingajiki nilanda izinto ezijulile, igubhu zokulanda amadoda zinixake lapha ekhaya. Thatha usmomondiya. Thatha usmomondiya wena oyislay queen, wena osebenza amadoda. Mthathe sisi, hambe uyosebenza naye 250. Siyakunikeza, hambe uyosebenza naye and usitshele ukuthi how you feel after siwasho sethu madoda anginlahlanga. I know men will come up and say, Mkhulu Sseida, yini ngathi nje uhlisa squad. Never. I walk in between the light and the dark. I'm on the grey line, so I'm assisting everybody who needs my assistance. Now usoka kami liphelele lijulile, usoka wamanyala. Angidinge ukuthi ngichaze much about this. Igama liyasikhulumela nje. Wena ozongitshela ukuthi lalela Mkhulu, angifuni izinto eziningi, ngifuna nje insize yabo. Ngifuna ukusebenza bomama. Angene ndawo khehla, thatha uhambe uyophila impilo yakho, ngikunika into elingana nawe, into ezophela amandla, ubuye kimi ungitshele ukuthi ikusebenzele. Thandwa abantu besifazane, thandeke abantu besifazane bakufune. When we offer this, usually sihambisa nalento iyasebenza iyodwa. Soka wamanyala uyasebenza ayedwa, kodwa sivamise ukukunika uma wena uthe ufuna iphuthumo, ufuna isebenze ngamandla khehla, sizokunikeza nali ibhodlela lento. Sikunikeze khehla, sikutshele ukuthi usebenzise kanjani, uyifake kuphi, ugcobe kuphi. After ugeza ngalento le, hambe uyophila. This is 600 rand uma ihambe iyodwa. Loku 250 uma khamba kodwa, but if you take it as a combo sikunika for 500. Hambe uyophila khehla. Angene ndawo ukuthi wena ufuna ukuyisebenzisela ini, as long as ungahlukumeza abantu, as long as ungaqhilaza abantu. Ngithi kuwe izani kimi, tell me ukuthi Mkhulu, I need help with this. Xhumane nami, send me a message, send me a text, call me. Usho ukuthi Mkhulu Sseida, I've seen your products, I want this, I want to order this. We will send it through to you through Phakamisa bakwethu. We send through Phakamisa. Please provide your correct number. Esizokhona ukuforwarda i-message kuwe ukuze uzokhona ukucollecta iphasela lakho. We send all over the country. We are working on international deliveries. This is to our international clientele, Nina, and Isthunywa from Netherlands, and Isthunywa from Canada, UK, wherever in Khemii Nati from. We appreciate all your support. I'm a product buyer, sevenza bakwethu. We've had, before we introduced them even into the market, we've had powerful feedback from abantu bebafuna ukuthi izinto siphusheke izinto sivuleke, from abantu that bebangakhanyi bebangabonakali, from abantu that needed to use it for interacta nabantu, whether sales or anything, siyabanikeza. Nawe xhumana nathi sikuthumele sikunikeza ama-product. One of the products that are not here, but I must mention we do have them in our muthi and siwasho catalog, ukuthenga, is our student combo. For when otarishayo, for when who is in tertiary or even in school, if you are permitted, ukuthi umthinde, so that we can give you izinto zokugquma. Your head is foggy. Uthi mawutarisha ukhohlwe. Uthi mawufika kwi-exam ube blurry ungakhumbuli lutho, ngithi ngithinte ke. Thinte sikunikeza i-combo. The combo is only 300 rand. Thathu hambe uyosebenzisa ubhale uphasi. Nginganibambi kakhulu bantu basekhaya, xhumanani nami. We appreciate the comments, we appreciate the subscriptions, we appreciate all the support, we appreciate the messages. Qhubekani nixhumana nathi, siyanibonga. Sinithanda ngothando kaMveli nxa besingeke sikwenze lokhu if we didn't love you guys. Mkhulu Sseida igedla lamashishwe inyanga yamakhosi, ngisithokozisa phambi kwenu, ngiziyehlisa phambi kwamathongo enu namadlozi enu, ngithi osana.